In this question, we're asked to draw the Lewis dot diagram of main group atom or common atomic ion. I might argue with common atomic ion because F plus is not very common, but we could still draw the Lewis dot diagram. So the Lewis dot diagram is essentially dots that represent the valence electrons. So the first one we have, and the one in the actual question, is F plus. But I'm going to draw F first, which could be another problem on Alex. So basically what you want to do is see how many valence electrons an atom has. So if we look at fluorine here, it's in group 7A, which means it has 7 valence electrons. Valence electrons are the outermost electrons, and you simply look at the A group number to identify how many valence electrons something has. So if it's in 7A, it has 7. If it's in 5A, it has 5. If it's in 8A, it has 8, so on and so forth. So fluorine is in 7A, so it has 7 valence electrons. So we draw fluorine, and now we have to put 7 electrons around it, and the electrons are represented by dots. So what I basically do is I consider there are 4 quadrants: the top, the right, the bottom, and the left. And I start in a clockwise fashion, although it doesn't really matter if you go in a clockwise fashion, that's just how I do it, to draw these 7 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would be the Lewis dot structure of fluorine. However, this particular question asks about fluorine plus, which again is not a common ion, but it is an ion that we could draw the Lewis dot structure for. So we could draw the Lewis dot structure for F plus. So what we do is we start by putting F in there, and we realize that if it's plus, it's missing an electron. So in F, we had 7 electrons. In F plus, we only have 6, because F plus, or anything with a positive charge, has 1 less electron. So instead of 7 dots, we put 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe Alex also wants us to put it in brackets and put a plus next to it. For S2 minus, we can do the same thing. If we find sulfur on the periodic table, we find that it's in group 6A, so it has 6 valence electrons. So S2 minus will have 2 extra electrons. So we put S, and instead of 6 dots, we want to put 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we probably have to put it in brackets and put a 2 minus charge. So this is how you can draw the Lewis dot diagrams for different atoms and ions.